Hello there, it's Adam from Communicate AT here. I'm going to show you how to install your lamp Words for Life keyguard to your GoNow case. So here's my GoNow case, fresh out of the box. Currently got the cover stand attached. So first thing to do is to detach the cover stand. Pretty simple. Give that a good squeeze off the top. Good squeeze off the top, like so. Off she comes. So let's put that to one side. Now, of course, I've got to install the iPad to the case first, which means all the screws on the back, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did I count that one? Anyway, they're all around the outside. They just need to be loosened off. In fact, probably taken out is probably best. I've pre-done that, so basically it's a matter of just going around each one, loosening them off. Just make sure. A couple over here on this side. So the two halves of the case separate from each other. Let's flip it back over. Now, move my coffee. So what we have inside is like a memory foam pad, and it aligns with the shape of the casing down here. So you've got your volume controls and the camera hole there. So it's a matter of lining your iPad up with your volume controls and your camera. You see that there. So there's a camera hole with that section. Just sitting it down on there. Lined up, and then marrying the top shell up as well. You'll feel it kind of clip in like that. Here we go. So you'll also see that it's kind of sort of the joint around the edges is kind of flush. So here's the trick to insert the keyguard. So we've got our lamp Words for Life keyguard ready to go. The idea is that don't tighten up the screws like fully. Just go around and just give them a quick spin so they're all connecting with the other part of the shell of the case, but not tight. Do that quick. You can kind of see it drawing the. So if I lift that up, it's the iPad's in there, and now. What we have done with keyguards is we use the snap-in attachment, so you can see that flange edge along the sides here. So that flange actually goes under. So just put my screwdriver to one side. So here's lamp. So to line it up, the flange edges go underneath that side like that. Yeah, flex it up, and they go in and underneath the other side. Might need to just, there we go. You can see here that the keyguard now is tamed.
I like it. I like it.
So it's like held in place now. It's not going to come out. So the last piece of the puzzle is just go back around those screws, give them tighten up just so they get to tight, and then maybe just a quarter turn. So it gets to where the screwdriver stops. Right there, and then quarter turn. So this one, you can almost see it draw the case together down the bottom. It kind of stops and then quarter turn, etc, 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 etc. There you go. Back in the cover stand. It's our lamp Words for Life keyguard installed to our GoNow case.